So here's how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows. First, first option is to try restart your computer and then run the game again to see if it works. Now, if it still doesn't work, try to run the game as administrator, as in some cases this might fix the problem. Now, if it still doesn't run, let's try to uninstall the game and then reinstall it again. So in Windows 10, right click on the start icon here and then apps and features. In Windows 11, it's called installed apps. And now search for Roblox and then click uninstall. And now once it's installed, open run command here. Should look like this. You can also search for this PC and then in the search bar type percent local app data percent and then press enter and it should open this path here. Then we need to look for Roblox. Now if we find the Roblox folder, you can right click delete or press the delete key on the keyboard. And now we'll need to go to roblox.com and then download it again and install it. You can simply go to any experience and press the play to be prompted to download and install Roblox, and it should start downloading. Now once it's completed, you can simply click on it and it will start installing Roblox. Then once the installation is completed, you can simply log back into your account and play the game, and that should fix the problem. That's it. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.